Alright guys, Smalls and Talls here. We are at Helton Creek Falls. We're on our way home from Brasstown Balds. Figured we would swing by and just check this place out. Alright guys, let's get hiking. Alright guys, we are out here. Unfortunately, we have a day without Talls, but it's just the four of us today. So we're just kind of messing around, hiking around today. We've hit Brasstown Bald, and now we are here at Helton Creek Falls. We've done this trail before, and we really enjoy it, but we're hoping there is some water here today because we haven't had much rain. We did get some rain last week from the hurricane, so hopefully we got some good flow here today. All right guys, let's get hiking. Here we are guys, we're at the lower falls. A lot more water than I thought we would have. All right, mediums. How do you like this waterfall?
It's nice. Yeah, it's pretty big, but yeah.
Hi, Snackback.
Hi.
How do you like the waterfall?
Good.
What's your favorite part?
Going down.
You're gonna slide down?
Now.
Oh.
Like, I like it so big.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, because it's going like...
Alright guys, here we are at the upper falls here at Helton Creek Falls. It's absolutely beautiful through here. Alright guys, we're gonna head out of here and go eat some dinner and head on home. Alright everybody, we hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit that bell for notifications for our upcoming videos. And for now, SNT, peace out.